exploring pop culture perspectives.
Hi everyone, we conducted a one-on-one interview for the students of Naga College Foundation. We asked 5 questions about popular culture. What is their perspective on popular culture? So without further ado, let's start.
How would you define pop culture and what do you think are its more noticeable characteristics?
A pop culture is when something or a song is like ano siya, trending siya, tapos noticeable kasi kada huling taong nag-stream or kada huling taong nagdadangog. Yun. Okay.
Can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught your attention? Why do you think it became popular?
Hello! As we all know, one of the category of pop culture is entertainment. At isa nga sa nag-trend ngayon na pinapalabas sa television is yung Senior High, which is pinagbibidaan siya ni Andrea Brillantes. And it talks about yung sa bullying. What I like about the teleserye is yung pagtuklas ng ating bida doon sa pagkamatay ng kanyang kakambal, which is pinaghihinalaan na hindi yon simpleng suicide kasi merong tao sa likod ng pagkamatay ng kanyang kapatid. And that's why naging popular for me and sa lahat naman yung teleseryeng Senior High.
In your opinion, does popular culture reflect societal values or does it shape them? How?
Yes. Because 'di ba po, ang pop cultural is mahalaga sa lipunan, like yung pagsasabi ng pato po, pagmamano sa matatanda, 'di ba po? Kasi sa panahon yan po, nawawala na itong paggagalang sa mga matatanda kasi sa panahon po ngunyan, iba ang nagigibo na kang panahon tangon yan. Like sa, di ba po, kasi millennial na tayo, ibang mga natutunan na natin cause nagbabago yung mga culture na influence sa atin. That's it.
Thank you.
Do you think different generation have distinct perspective on pop culture? How have you observed this generation difference, if any?
As I observed in my 23 years of existence, I do think there are differences on perspective on pop culture as the generation passes. For example, as I was a 10-year-old girl, I noticed that the fashion before, it's more like it's like emo, not matchy clothes and colorful. But now, it's all aesthetics and on neutral colors, or it's like earthy colors. That's all.
Kaya ni, inang hapot, from your perspective, how has the digital age, social media influence the way pop culture trend spreading again popularity? Can you provide an example to illustrate
So,
this influence?
so ayan, good afternoon. So, example ng ng pop culture popularity, gawa ng social media. Example, K-pop, 'di ba? K-pop. Naging worldwide trend ang K-pop. Naging worldwide trend ang Gangnam Style. Nagawa sa Korea baga dahil nga sa social media. Ngayon, so napaka-broad ng social media kasi hindi lang naman dito sa bansa natin, sa buong mundo, 'di ba, napapanood. Isang click mo lang mapapanood ka. Isang click mo lang malalaman nila kung ano yung culture ng bansa mo. So, 'yun, napakalaki ng influence ng social media para sa pagpapakilala ng ng kultura ng isang bansa. Hindi lang about pop culture, about dresses, about the dance, the way they live. Ayun, ang pinakamaganda kasi mas napakilala ang culture natin o ng culture ng ibang bansa dahil sa social media. Ayun po.